Previously, on my South Coast road trip.
Let's go, baby! Woo!
Definitely need a shower, that's for sure.
If this is a sign, getting light somewhat like that, I so hope it is. Finally need some good light. Oh my god, what is happening? Look at that light. Come on! Yes! Yes! The waves are crazy. Take a look. Whoa, look at that. No way. I might have to move. Absolutely done over by a wave. Camera's dripping. I'm soaked. I look like I've wet myself. I've got to dry this off ASAP. Sometimes it is difficult to enjoy it, especially when you're concentrating on photos and whatnot. Supposedly 500 million years old. I can't even get my head around that. So welcome back to another video on the channel. Today is my last day in New South Wales before I head back to Victoria. And it's a shame, it really is, because I've really enjoyed it here. Yeah, it's been amazing. I really wish I spent longer here, to be honest. Not that Victoria's bad, I'm just saying that here's been amazing. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot a video at a location I haven't been this week. So yeah, we'll do that, shoot a photo and whatnot. I think it'll be quite a short video today, just because I need to do a few other things before I bounce. And yeah, so let's see what this place has to offer. I can already see it now, it looks great. Let's do this. So this place is actually so nice. The water's pretty cold. I will show you some B-roll clips quickly before we head down to the main spot. It's really nice here. I wish I'd come here during the week, but yeah, it's really nice. There's nobody around whatsoever. Absolutely incredible. Also, just another wind warning, weather I mean. There is going to be a little bit of noise just because I am by the ocean and whatnot, so just as a little bit of a warning. Yeah, these rocks are incredible actually, like so jagged and insane. Like they're so unique, and the water as well is so clear. I don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave. So looking back from where I've just come from, there are a lot of shots that I would like to take, loads of different angles that would look really nice, but we'll see how much time we have. If I have more time, I'll shoot more, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm not far from where I need to be now, so yeah, if you don't know where I am, I'm at the Glasshouse Rocks, really not far from where I was staying, so yeah, it was, I should have made an effort to come down here more often, but yeah, let's get to this spot. So it turns out I can't actually get to where I want to get to shoot a photo, which is a shame. And also, yeah, I forgot my ND, which is annoying because it's not only just an ND, it's a circular polarizer, both in one. So I'm gonna have to deal with the reflections. With the harsh light, I definitely won't be able to do long exposures. That, along with the memory card, is the last straw. I'm joking. We're going to carry on doing. See what we can still achieve with today. It is what it is. Like, you're always going to deal with things in photography. So yeah, it's just a shame. But anyway, what I'm going to try and do, because the light's quite harsh, I'm going to get to the other side of these rocks where they're actually being illuminated by the sun instead of being in the shadow. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do. The downside to that is obviously I'll cast a shadow. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We'll see what we can come up with. But yeah, it's a really nice place. Really nice place. Back in the water. Also, I actually didn't say this, but I'm actually carrying less gear than I've ever carried before. I'm literally just carrying my camera. I've got no bag. I've got a few things stuffed in my pockets, intervalometer and whatnot. Yeah, like the only reason being is because I'm heading back today. I've got a bunch of other stuff in there. I don't want to carry my laptop and all that. So yeah, kind of going in light today. So yeah, maybe I'll do more of it, I don't know, but yeah, I thought I'd just let you know that this is essentially all I'm carrying today. Right, let's get in the water and see what we can find. So I'll just come further out from like the beach area, now that the tide is actually really quite low. Just to show you how the scale of this rock here is insane. I don't even think this video will even explain it properly. Take a look. Yeah, like that did not come across on camera. Anyway, I need to find the composition. Let's go.
All the memories, all the words, all the stuff I never said. The memories, all the words, all the stuff I never meant. The memories, all the stuff, all the words I never said. All the memories, memories,
So after wandering around for a while trying to find a composition, I think I found something that I do like. Yeah, I mean, like I said again, harsh light, very harsh light. No ND filters, no circular polarizer. I'm just gonna have to do the best with what I've got, and hopefully it turns out. So my target today is just to come away with something, and I think this might be it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the composition that I have, and we'll go ahead and shoot the photo for you. So the composition that we're going with on this one will involve that rock there, these two rocks, the rock in the middle ground and background, and also this rock here. So it kind of involves this kind of area here. The foreground will have these rocks right here, and also there is a little bit of water around here, not too much in the frame, just because I haven't got an ND or circular polarizer. I just want to try and minimize as much water in the frame as possible. The water that I do have, however, in the frame, which is just a little bit down here and some up here. The way I'm going to try and deal with that is possibly do a higher shutter speed to try and freeze the water. The reason being is I think they're called caustics, and they look really nice, so I want to try and capture some of those in the frame if I can as well. There's a few ripples up here which might be interesting to capture. So yeah, that's what I'm going with, and yeah, let's see if it works out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot the photo now, and if it turns out, I'll show you right now. Set you guys down there. So yeah, there we have it. Last video down in New South Wales on the south coast. I've had a blast, I really have, and I'd love to be back, I really would. So yeah, let me know what you think of the video and the photo in the comments down below. As for the photo, I don't think it was portfolio worthy, but I haven't edited it yet, so I may be pleasantly surprised. As always, if you did enjoy the video, like, subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified whenever I do upload another video. As always, I'll see you next week for the next one.